Hello everyone, this is Green Issues with Yetunde Bayode. The aim of producing this video is to raise awareness about our environment and ways in which we can improve and protect it. Today I'd like to discuss about loss of biodiversity. Loss of biodiversity is the extinction of species, plants and animals worldwide, and also the local reduction or loss of species in a certain habitat. A species is a group of living organisms consisting of similar individuals capable of exchanging genes or interbreeding. For example, all human beings form a species. Biodiversity loss disrupts the functioning of ecosystems, making them more vulnerable to perturbations and less able to support humans when needed. Ecosystem is a large community of living organisms, plants, animals, and microorganisms in a particular area. The living and physical components are linked together through nutrient cycles, that is, the water cycle, nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle, and carbon cycle, and the nutrient cycle and the energy flows too. For example, the aquatic ecosystem, you have the forest ecosystem, urban ecosystem, and so on. Habitat destruction is a major cause of biodiversity loss. Habitat loss is caused by deforestation, overpopulation, pollution, and global warming. Other causes include climate change, overexploitation, and pollution. Overexploitation of about 1.75 million species have been identified of plants, animals, and microorganisms out of 30 million total species estimated by scientists. The services these species provide contribute to the delicately running cycles that make the earth habitable to humans and contribute to our way of life in many ways, from providing us food and pharmaceuticals and in helping to reduce the impact of natural disasters such as floods. All organisms need food to survive. Although humans consume a small number of species, these species depend on many others to thrive. The environment also provides medicines, both traditional and modern variety. Even drugs that can be synthesized in the laboratory are often discovered in natural sources first. Scientists have identified many different types of plants that have potential to become treatments for various diseases like arthritis, cancer, and many others. The environment also provides wood for paper and construction. Natural fibers which we derive from the environment are useful for a variety of products. For example, fabrics. Cotton, which is derived from plants, is the most common material found in our clothing and is usually mixed with other fibers to produce a variety of clothing materials. Biodiversity provides much of these basic necessities of food, water, clothing, and shelter. Large amounts of biodiversity also create many different jobs for farmers, to park rangers, and pharmaceuticals. Also, a huge variety of plants are used in decorating homes and buildings. This can be a major attraction for tourists, bringing in profits and creating jobs. Biodiversity is greatly important for bioengineering research and in improving human nutrition. Obviously, biodiversity is essential for a wide array of natural systems to exist and thrive. In the environment, everything is connected. One break in the chain can cause a major malfunction and halt other processes. The different parts must be preserved to preserve the whole system. We can protect biodiversity by keeping to walk paths to avoid stepping through flowers or crops, taking a walk to use less fuel, and subsequently reducing climate change. Conserve water use, that is, avoid wasting water, because freshwater bodies are essential to biodiversity. Practice the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle materials to help protect the environment and combat climate change. Support farmers with knowledge of biotechnology and plant science so they can grow more food on the same amount of land. And lastly, plant local flowers, vegetables, and trees to help reduce global warming and climate change. If you play your part and I play mine, we can collectively make a big positive impact. Thanks for listening, and please help spread this message by liking and sharing this video.